Do you remember our first day here?
Yes, we were young and a little lost, but very happy.
Why did we choose this village?
Because peace is more valuable than noise.
Were we always this calm?
No, life taught us patience.
What was our hardest time?
When we had little, but we learned to be grateful.
What did life teach us? To enjoy small moments. Were we brave?
We were scared, but we kept going.
Did we ever give up?
Never. We always tried again.
Did we travel far?
Not far, but far enough to learn.
What made you smile most?
You, always you.
Did we argue?
Yes, but we always laughed after.
What was our biggest mistake?
Worrying too much.
And our best decision?
Staying together.
Were we always this wise?
No, we learned slowly.
What did we fear?
Losing each other.
What made life beautiful? Simple days like this. Did we have big dreams?
Yes, and we lived some of them.
What made you laugh the most?
When I tried to cook and failed.
I remember that. We ate it anyway. Were we always lucky?
No, but we were thankful.
What is happiness?
Moments like this.
Did time pass quickly?
Faster than we expected.
What did we learn about people?
Kindness matters most.
Were we ever rich?
In love, always.
What made us laugh as children?
Simple, silly things.
Did we change?
Yes, but our hearts stayed the same.
What kept us going?
Hope.
Did we ever feel lost?
Many times, but we found our way.
What was our happiest day?
The day we chose each other.
Did we ever regret anything?
Only not laughing more.
What made life hard?
Fear and doubt.
And what made it easy?
Love and trust.
Were we always together?
Always in heart.
What did we learn from mistakes?
To grow.
Did we ever stop dreaming?
Never.
What made us smile today?
This memory.
Do you still remember everything?
Not everything, but the important things.
What is the secret of life?
Keep it simple.
Did we enjoy life?
Yes, in our own way.
What made us different?
We never gave up.
Did we always understand each other?
Not always, but we tried.
That still happens. And we still laugh. What matters most now?
Being together.
Are we still learning?
Every day.
Was life worth it?
Every second.
Are you happy?
Yes, because I am with you.
Do you love this place?
Yes, it holds our whole story.